Hello everyone. I can understand English but I can't speak. Do you want to know the reason behind it? So guys, here I am Asheesh Sir and today I will discuss about this situation when you can understand English easily but you are not able to speak English. So guys, why it is happening with you? What is the reason behind it? So guys, this is not a big issue. The only thing is that your English is very good. Yes, absolutely right. The situation is that whenever anyone is speaking in front of you, you can understand. Whenever you are watching English movies, you can understand that what is happening in the movie. Whenever you are reading English books, then you can understand that what the book is saying, what is the meaning of that thing. So guys, the reason is that your English is very good. You know what does it mean. You know about the vocabulary. Your vocabulary of English is very good. That's why it's happening with you. I think your English is good, but the problem is that you can't speak. Do you want to know why? So in this video, I will also tell you the solution of this problem. So guys, the problem is not very big. I have told you that your English is very good. That was not a problem. So you need a solution, I think. So guys, there is a little solution for you. Guys, the problem is that your English is very good. You know about the vocabulary of English. You know all the words meaning. That is the problem for you? I don't think so that. Guys, the solution is that you are not able to make the sentences. How to make the sentence? Arrangement of words is sentence. So guys, first of all, learn how to arrange the words. When you will learn how to arrange the words, then you should follow the step number 2. The step number 2 is that when you learn that how to make the tenses, sentences, then you should know that how to arrange the sentences, how to connect the sentences. Do you want to know how? Just using the conjunctions like but, so, if, blah blah blah. There are many conjunctions. Whenever we are speaking any language, then we are just arranging all the sentences. We are making a conversation. So conversation is a part of speaking when you are just adding all the sentences. So first thing you should know, you should learn, that is how to make the sentences. When you learn how to make the sentence, then you should follow the step number 2, which is arrange and add all the sentences. When you will learn that how to arrange the sentences, you will be able to speak English fluently. That's my guarantee. But student, the problem is that you should not follow the grammar rules. You should not learn the sentence like subject plus verb plus timing plus object, blah 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 something. So formula can't make you a good speaker. When you want to become a good speaker of English, then you should know only one thing. The one thing is that are you feeling the sentences or not? If you are feeling sentences, then you will be a good speaker. If not, then it's my guarantee you can translate the sentences, but you will not able to speak English. So guys, that was a very short solution of this problem. I hope that you will get this video solution. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.